Hello, I'm Adam from Market Life and welcome to the free video for February 4th, 2020. The trade today is a short in Starbucks. Let's talk about that trade and then let's talk about the big picture a little bit because the big picture is not as bearish as a lot of people think. However, we've had a pretty good setup for a short in Starbucks, and this is really a higher time frame setup. So if you look at the weekly chart, it's been a good stock. It's been an uptrending stock for a long time. Got hit a couple quarters ago, came off, consolidated a little bit, and this is now setting up a potential downswing on the weekly. So that's bigger picture context. But we're not trading the weekly pattern. What we're trading here is this little pause on the daily. Now, I don't know if this is going to go tomorrow or later this week, and of course it might not go at all, but I do know that this is a very powerful setup when you have a strong thrust and then you have a consolidation near one end of that thrust. If you're looking to short, it'll be down here. If you're looking to buy, it would be up here. In this case, the consolidation near the lows gives us a good entry trigger. Your stop probably needs to be somewhere, let's call it in high 87s to 89. So stop somewhere in that range. And your initial target, if you can get somewhere in the low 80s, so 81 or so, it's a pretty good first target for the trade. We'll see how this develops and may update this later in the week. Now, we do need to remember the bigger picture, what we see in the market is probably bullish for stocks. And I know that's very hard to believe because everything we hear, everything we see seems very scary. But just remember, this is the way the market works. This is what happens time after time after time. And this is why you have to keep a focus on price action. Currently, it's neutral, but we'll see a little bit more stabilization here, and we likely will be setting up for another rally in coming weeks. That's all we have today. If you like the video, we'd appreciate a like on the video. Do subscribe to the channel, tell all your friends, and go check out more of my work at marketlife.com. Thank you very much.